Welcome to Croctober. All month long, I'll be sharing my favorite crockpot recipes, perfect for those cozy fall days. Today, we're kicking things off with the delicious white bean chicken chili. It's creamy, comforting, and so easy to make. But before we dive in, if you're using dried white kidney beans, I've got a quick and easy way to cook them in the Instant Pot. No soaking required. If you're like me and sometimes forget to soak your beans overnight, don't worry, the Instant Pot is a lifesaver. Here's how you can cook your white kidney beans quickly without any soaking. First, rinse your dried beans under cold water to remove any dust or debris. Add them to the Instant Pot with about 5 to 6 cups of water for every 1 cup of beans. Make sure there's enough water to fully cover the beans with at least a couple of inches extra on top. Set your Instant Pot to manual or pressure cook mode for 35 minutes. Once the cooking time is done, let the pressure naturally release for about 15 to 20 minutes before carefully opening the lid. Once your beans are done, drain and rinse them and they're ready to go in your chili or any other dish. Now that we got our beans ready, let's get back to making this delicious white bean chicken chili. For the chili, you will need chicken breast. I have about 3 pounds of it. You will need some onions, beans, which you saw me how I prepared those, and then also some chicken stock, corn. I am using frozen. You can do fresh or canned. And then in here I have oregano, cumin, chili powder, salt, black pepper, and paprika. And I will have the recipe link down below so you can see all the measurements. Then I have some green chilies in here, and then garlic and some oil. And to finish it off, you will need some cream, cilantro, and some lime. So I'm going to get started with cooking my onion and my garlic. First, we're going to saute our diced onion in about a tablespoon of olive oil. You want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and soft. Now we'll add in minced garlic, cooking it for just another minute until it's fragrant. Once the onion and garlic are ready, transfer them into your crock pot. Now it's time to add our other ingredients. We are going to start by adding our beans, and then we are going to add our broth in. I'm using homemade. You can use a store-bought as well. Then all of our corn, and then we're going to add all of the seasoning mixes, and I will have the full recipe linked down below for you guys to so that way you don't have to worry about making sure you are catching everything I'm saying. And then we're going to add our green chilies in here, and then we're going to give this a really good stir so that way everything is well combined. Next, nestle the chicken breasts right into the chili mixture and press them down so they're fully submerged. Now just cover and cook on high for 4 to 6 hours or on low 6 to 8 hours. It's the perfect set it and forget it meal. Once the chicken is cooked and tender, remove it from the crock pot and shred it using 2 forks. You can also do this inside the crock pot if you wish. If you took it out, return the shredded chicken to the slow cooker, and now comes the creamy goodness. You add your coconut cream for extra creaminess, or you can even use a heavy cream if you would prefer that instead. Stir it all together until everything is melted and combined. If you prefer thinner consistency, feel free to add up to a cup more broth. Give it a taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Every batch of chili is different, so make sure it's seasoned just right. When you're ready to serve, dish it up with your favorite toppings. I love adding a dollop of sour cream, shredded cheese, diced avocado, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and even some sliced up jalapeno pepper. You can also add some crispy tortilla chips for that extra crunch. And there you have it, white bean chicken chili, a perfect meal for chilly fall days. Be sure to stay tuned all month long for more Croctober recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious crockpot recipe. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking.